So we have deployed our skill using the Skill Flow Builder command line interface tool, and now let's test it out in the Alexa Developer Console. So head over to developer.amazon.com and we can click on Alexa. There, we want to load up the Developer Console. And as you can see, our skill now shows up. So Jungle Escape was the skill that we created, and we named it like this in our configuration file. Let's go ahead and click on the skill. So as you can see, it was deployed successfully out here. And here are the intents that were set up for it. Notice that this was all generated from the Skill Flow Builder tool. So we can click on the first one here, and they're generic. Here it was left and spare and so on. So Skill Flow Builder actually manages the creation of all of this behind the scenes for us, which makes it really convenient. In that way, we only edit the skill in the Skill Flow Builder tool and we can deploy it just like we did before. So let's head over to test. And you get a prompt to allow the microphone. You can go ahead and click on the allow button. And we need to enable testing for this skill. So we can click on the drop down here and we can click on development. And now let's test it out. So we could actually toggle some device logging here, and we can say open Jungle Escape.
There was a problem with the requested skills response.
All right, let's check the logs here. Typically, the very first time that it's run, because DynamoDB is set up, you may get this error. So let's give it a try again. See if it works. So we're going to do open Jungle Escape.
Welcome to Jungle Escape. Would you like to start playing?
All right, so that was the case. So when DynamoDB is first instantiated, typically you would get that error, but from now on, once that was done the very first time when your skill was deployed, everything should work. So here we get our first prompt. If we'd like to start playing, let's do yes.
While exploring the jungle with an expedition team, do you choose the path to the left or to the right?
All right, so there is our first sort of narrative. Notice we don't have any displays coming up here, but we will rectify that soon. We're going to add images and audio for our skill, but let's go ahead and complete the test. So let's go to the left.
After walking a few yards, coming charging towards you is a hyena, with teeth bared, and he is hungry. You cannot run away, and he is right on you. Do you draw your spear or your machete?
All right, let's go for the spear.
You try to attack the hyena with your spear. Your health is 7. The health of the hyena is 5. Do you draw your spear or your machete?
All right, looks like he got us there. Let's try the spear again.
You try to attack the hyena with your spear. Your health is 7. The health of the hyena is 2. Do you draw your spear or your machete?
All right, so we got him there. Notice in the playback there is no pause between spear and your health. So to fix that, we can just add in a full stop right here, and that would cause Alexa to pause so that the narration would sound more smooth. So just wanted to point that out. Let's go ahead and try spear one more time.
You try to attack the hyena with your spear. Your health is 7. The health of the hyena is -1. You were able to defeat the hyena. You stumble upon a clearing. Do you jump down into the pool at the bottom of the waterfall, which is a 50-foot plunge, or do you take your chances and run across the old rope bridge?
All right, let's try the bridge. Again, our random dice will be rolled. We saw that in our code behind the scenes, and let's see if we made it.
Congratulations! You were able to get to safety and escape the jungle. The game has ended, and you have won the game. You can play again. Would you like to start playing?
All right, so there you have it. We were able to create a skill entirely in the Skill Flow Builder, and we created the entire narrative, and we were able to deploy it from the command line to Alexa. And we can actually test this on our Alexa device. Once you have a Alexa device that is set up with this same developer account, you'll be able to test it on there. So really easy and convenient. Using the Skillflow Builder editor allows collaboration between developers and designers and writers for you to quickly prototype and build out Alexa skills.